What's going on, guys? My name is Crypto Coffee, coming to you with your digital dose of crypto Java. I want to talk to you guys today about Dogecoin. More specifically, the reasons why it's so incredibly popular and maintains its value. Dogecoin, ticker symbol Doge, is a cryptocurrency that was trending worldwide in recent months for surpassing a $1 billion market cap valuation, briefly touching a $2 billion market cap. This confused and intrigued most people because Dogecoin essentially started out as a joke cryptocurrency. The creators, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, released the cryptocurrency on December 6 of 2013. Dogecoin first gained traction as an internet tipping system and was based on the popular meme Doge. As you can see from this comparison, Dogecoin essentially rode the wave of the meme's popularity itself and paved its own way to becoming known worldwide. Another reason why it's popular and has value is because of the upcoming updates. I quickly want to clarify any confusion surrounding the Doge Ethereum hard fork coming on March 30th and say that the Dogecoin core developers are not in any way involved in the Doge Ethereum hard fork. However, Dogecoin developers are in the process of making a Doge Ethereum bridge, which is entirely different from the hard fork. To quickly explain the incredibly exciting Doge Ethereum bridge, it is an update which aims to establish a back and forth link between Dogecoin and an eDoge ERC20 token on Ethereum. This essentially enables Dogecoin to make use of the Ethereum smart contracts, and if successful, Dogecoin will be the first ever cryptocurrency to establish a connection between a blocked currency and the capabilities of the Ethereum network. This will allow Dogecoin to have all the security, mineability, and immutability of a blocked currency, as well as all the benefits of an Ethereum token. Although Dogecoin has no official white paper, the Dogecoin developers actually have one under construction right now. Dogecoin developers also remain very active on Twitter and have released an alpha update on Dogecoin Core recently. Another reason for Dogecoin's value lies in the Dogecoin community itself, and in my personal opinion, is one of the biggest reasons why it sets itself apart from any other cryptocurrency on the market. And with the 115,000 Dogecoin subreddit members at the time of posting this video, there is absolutely no shortage of them. The community uses the Doge meme dialect to communicate, shortening long sentences by beginning one-word things using one-word phrases such as wow, much, many, etc. A quick example of a Doge dialect converted sentence would be a starting sentence of, quote-unquote, the blog has many posts, which would then be converted into simply, quote-unquote, much blog. This makes the Dogecoin community interesting and creates an atmosphere of inclusion and camaraderie over a unique way of communicating. This also makes people more involved because most Dogecoin holders want to keep the language itself alive, thus making the coin even stronger as a useful currency. The Dogecoin community is also able to organize themselves efficiently and get heavily involved in donating and sponsoring events that help the needy and increase the coin's overall popularity. On December 25th, 2013, the first major theft of Dogecoin occurred when millions of coins were stolen during a hack on the online cryptocurrency wallet platform Doge Wallet. And as a result, the Dogecoin community started an initiative named Save Dogemas. This was to help donate coins to those who had them stolen, and around 1 month later, enough money was donated to cover the cost of all coins stolen. The community also started a myriad of different initiatives, including sponsoring a Jamaican bobsled team to compete in the Winter Olympics, sending bug nets to various countries to fight malaria, giving service dogs to kids with special needs, milk to underprivileged and homeless institutions in Brazil, socks to homeless people in Los Angeles, over $30,000 worth of water wells to Kenya, redistributed Dogecoins in a Robin Hood-like fashion to fellow Shibes, Shibes being a term used to describe fellow Dogecoin holders, and even sponsoring a car for a NASCAR race. The list goes on, but these are just a few of the notable achievements in the Dogecoin community. Dogecoin is also praised for its transaction speed and high liquidity, and that fees for Dogecoin transactions are almost null. There are also websites dedicated to giving away free Dogecoins, known as Doge Faucets. These websites try and give Dogecoins to people who haven't yet entered the cryptocurrency world and therefore increase the adoption rate of the coin itself. People also love Dogecoin because it is a usable currency that is relatively stable. Quick disclaimer, not perfectly stable by any means, but this gives rise to the popular phrase said by community members in times of cryptocurrency market panic: one Doge equals one Doge. It's a usable currency because it was initially released with a hard cap of 100 billion coins in circulation, but was then later changed to have roughly 5 billion extra Dogecoins a year added into circulation. This makes Dogecoin what's known as an inflationary coin, and I will link a detailed explanation as to why inflationary coins are absolutely necessary in the cryptocurrency world, using Dogecoin as my example at the end of this video once I finish making it. All jokes aside, I think that Dogecoin will continue to be incredibly popular and serve a very useful purpose in the cryptocurrency market, proving to people that cryptocurrency can be fun, helpful, massively adopted, and frequently used as a means of transferring wealth. As usual, I hope you learned something. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, and follow me on Twitter for more weekly crypto content. All sources of my research are down below. Thanks so much for watching. Crypto Coffee, out.